Okay, so this is just a quick SEO audit of the website flooddefenses.com. The first thing we did was actually have a look at the site itself, the design, all that kind of stuff. And from a design perspective, whoever's done this has done a fantastic job. It looks really great. You've obviously got all your services up here at the top, so no issues with that at all. You know, a kind of login section, which is great. All of your products, it's just really well laid out, really easy to use. And from a quick look in, we did find that the content, did look pretty good as well. So really on page and on site wise, I wouldn't say you do have too many concerns. But one area that you're significantly lacking in definitely is backlinks. I don't know if you guys are aware of kind of what backlinks are or the importance of them, but essentially a backlink is a link that's pointing to your website, flooddefenses.com. And obviously the better a quality link that you have pointing to you, then the more value that has to Google, and the more Google will see you as an authority site within their search engine. So if I just go to this tool here, basically what I've done is I've put your website in there, and it's showing here that you've got 5 referring domains, which means you have 5 different websites pointing to your website at this current moment in time. Now, obviously, that does mean that you have some links going to your site there, but really, if you have a look at your competitors in the industry and who's actually ranking for a lot of keywords, you'll kind of understand and see, why those guys are doing so well in their particular industry. So you'll see here for this first example, Floodstop UK, they actually have just under 50 referring domains. So obviously, that's a leap of about 45 or so from what you guys are on, and you can see their organic traffic and keywords there is significantly more than your current website right now. And honestly, a lot of that will have to do with links. This DR section here basically highlights the domain rank or domain strength of your website. You're getting a 7 currently, and the example that I just showed you here has got 26. So that leap alone will, be seen by Google, and they're going to really bump it up the rankings for that. Again, to use some other examples, you've got Fluvial Innovations here, who rank very well for a lot of keywords. They have 71 referring domains there. And another one here is Flood Protection Solutions, which is, again, just basically the same amount of referring domains, 69 on that one. So you can see that these companies here, anything pretty much over 50 is kind of what they're kind of going for, that they're ranking for. And currently your website is on referring domains 5. So the solution really is to just find some really great high quality links and build them to your website. That can be quite challenging in the SEO industry, as we found out quite a lot. We actually have a really good provider that do these for us called High Rise Links, which we'll show you here. So basically, link packages are kind of all over the internet, but a lot of links don't actually provide you with a really good quality, with a relevance, and actually are powered up through tier systems. And these ones do all of that, so they've helped us out a lot in the past, and we use these guys all the time. So this is definitely who we'd recommend if you were looking to build some links up. Be aware though that you do need to put some money into this. So if you were to buy this first package here, obviously this $189 one, with your current situation in your current market, that probably wouldn't really move the needle so much for your website. You have to really look at looking at the proper link packages down here. This one is the most popular, this $8,000 one here. But, what you get is fantastic. You get, in total, 18 links, which are all powered up by even more links underneath that. So obviously, whilst your competitors there do have more links than you, these are going to be so powerful that 18 will probably look like a value of probably 60 to 70 links, really, in Google's eyes, because they're so powerful, they're so niche relevant, and they're powered up by other links underneath it. So, when I look at these competitors here, I might show you this one has 74 links, and, that might look, I need to build 60 more links to compete with them. That's not necessarily the case. Some of those links in that actual referring domain graph there might not be that powerful, and it might only be maybe 15 to 20 or so of those links that are really doing it for them. So when you buy these links, that you're getting the best links out there in the market, and it's really going to improve your business. So we'd recommend putting the investment in, obviously, because even though whilst it seems like an expensive amount to start off with, once you actually put that money in for these links, and you'll see that kind of come back very quickly, in our opinion, especially with with your market and with other markets that show that other people have got much more links than you. All you need to do is build more quality links to your website, really, and that will do it for you. So again, like I said, this highriselinks.com, I'll put that in the description of this video if you want to check these guys out. But definitely worth having a look at these kind of packages, because they can really help literally transform businesses. We've had clients who've used these and come back to us months later and said, wow, look at how look how much my traffic's gone up, and look at the keywords that I'm ranking for now just from these link packages. So definitely recommended. Very high standard links, so have a look at those if you want to. But that's basically the link audit, guys. You guys really do need to focus on improving your backlink quality and your backlink profile for that. But yeah, like I said, take a look at the website. Thanks a lot for watching, and hope this helped.